Dear creative, will you be surprised if I tell you that most of the beautiful butter hat pieces that you see are products of papers, carton, cardboards, and what have you, like trash. They are pieces of trash transformed into beautiful headpiece. Now watch this video and see how I transform these pieces cardboard, or should I say straw board, yeah, these pieces of straw board into a beautiful butter hat. You need to watch this video till the end. And mind you, I said straw board. Yeah, this is a straw board. But do you know that you can use cardboard? You can use any hard paper. Yes, you can also use brace pad that is being used for sewing women's clothing. Oh my god, just watch this transformation. It's mind-blowing. I don't know if you get it. You don't need to throw your pieces away. Like if you have leftover of cartons, leftover of cardboard, of brace pad, you can turn it into amazing headways. So this is how it goes. You take the circumference of your head, if you are the one using it, or the circumference of your customer's head, or you can just use your own and add few inch, like, you know, then you use that to measure the length of the cardboard or the paper or the carton. The width, you have to be careful here. It depends on how high you want your crown to be or how low you want it to be. I almost forgot. You say, I don't know how to mold. I don't know how to mold. And butter hat is trending. You're thinking of how to mold. Don't worry. This just you don't need to mold. And a cardboard, a brace pad, a carton. You just measure the length according to the circumference of your head. You now measure the width according to how high you want the crown to be. It can be 2 inch, it can be 1, it can be 3. It depends on how high you want the crown to be. Then you put your gum on the edges and place it together. This is it. You have a crown. All you need to do is to cut out a circle. Yes, when you measure it like this, when you are cutting it, you have to include a little more inch than where this circle is, so that it will lap very, very well. You can do this with your carton, you can do it with your brace pad, your hard warden, or normal cardboard that is a little bit hard. You can double it if it is light. Like any paper can do this for you. It is not magical. You see, you're gonna see the butter hat. Remember, I had shared a video on how to make a butter hat still with this straw board. So now I'm showing you how to make the butter hat crown. Earlier on, I shared how to make the brim with maybe a molded crown, but today see how to make your crown with paper, with cardboard, with carton, with brace pad, with warden. You have a whole lot of things to play with. As a creative, you don't need so much to make creative piece. All you need to do is innovation, and this is one of them. So like I said, you push it in like this, or you just place it on top if you had done the right measurement. Okay, you can either put it up there like this part and that other part together before you cover it with your fabric, or you may decide to cover your fabric before you do the placement. It all depends on you. Whichever one is more comfortable, you go with that. So if you are doing you place them together before you cover it with your fabric, you can just cover both of them together using your gum, but I decided to do it this way because I don't want the inside paper to show. I don't know if you understand. I don't want the paper to show inside, so I had to cover them separately and then bring them together. I'll be using gum to fix it up. It's very easy to work on. All you need to do is to do the right measurement and you have it done. Just push it in or you put it up here, you spray your gum and it's done. Remember, I had already made my brim. Yes, so all I needed to do is just to put them together, and I have a full video on this, a step-by-step process video. Go and watch it out. It's interesting. You should know how to do this. See you in my next video. It's the Model TV. Subscribe, share, comment and like this video. For more tutorial videos, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video.